What is clustering? Clustering is the process of partitioning a set of data into a set of meaningful subclass called cluster. It helps user understand natural grouping or structure in a dataset. Clustering is an unsupervised classification, means no predefined class. Used either as a standalone tool or as a pre-processing steps for other algorithm. Let us see example. In that data objects belong to two different cluster. See these two different cluster. Data structure. There are two types of a data structure in clustering algorithm. First, data matrix by variable structure, and second, dissimilarity matrix by object structure. Measuring dissimilarity or similarity in clustering. Dissimilarity, similarity matrix. Similarity is the expressed in term of distance function, which is typically matrix d of I comma j. There are also used in quality function, which estimate the goodness of a cluster. The definition of a distance functions are usually very different from interval scale, Boolean, categorical, ordinal, and ratio variable. Weight should be associated with different variable based on application and data semantics. Application of a clustering. Clustering has a wide application in economic science, especially in market research, WWW, World Wide Web, as a document classification, pattern recognition, spatial data analysis, image processing, many more. Distance measure. To discuss whether a set of points is close enough to be considered a cluster, we need a distance measure, d of x, y. The usual examples for a distance measures d are d of x, x is equal to 0, d of x, y is equal to d of y, x, d of x, y less than or equal to d of x, z plus d of x, z, y, the tangle inequality. Assume a k-dimensional Euclidean space. The distance between 2 points x is equal to x1, x2, up to xk, and y equal to y1, y2, y3 up to yk may be defined using one of the measures. First, Euclidean distance L2 norms is equal to under root of a summation of I equal to k of xi minus yi square. Manhattan distance L1 norms is equal to summation of I equal to 1 to k mod of xi minus yi. Mags of dimensions L infinity norms is equal to max I equal to 1 to k mod of xi minus yi. Minkowski distance I summation of I equal to 1 to k of xi minus yi raised to q raised to 1 upon q. When there is no Euclidean space in which to place the points, clustering becomes more difficult. As a web page access, DNA sequences, customer sequences, categorical attribute, document, etc. Thank you.